My name's Chris Reid, Managing Director and CEO of Neometals Limited. We're an Australian-listed project developer of projects in minerals required for a sustainable future: lithium, titanium, vanadium. Our assets, number one, is a huge balance sheet. We've just paid our fourth consecutive dividend today. Following that, we'll have 116 million Australian dollars in the bank, no debt, another 10 million in investments. Our people then are our next biggest asset. In terms of the projects that we're currently looking to develop, we're advancing a pilot test work program on a lithium battery recycling project. We have secure offtake from the development of the Mount Marion lithium mine, which is the world's second largest hard rock source of lithium. We have a secure annual offtake for that. We're looking to put that into a lithium refinery. We're also completing the feasibility study on the Barrambie vanadium titanium project. It is one of the world's largest, highest grade VTM deposits. In terms of the milestones, we hope to complete the pilot study for the battery recycling in a couple of months. We'll then move to the front-end engineering study. We'll run the commercial supply and offtake and financing arrangements in parallel, looking to make an FID early next year. In terms of the lithium refinery, we've got an annual option for offtake, 57,000 tonnes of spodumene concentrate from Mount Marion. The lithium market currently is in an oversupply position. We'll look to align the development of that with the improving lithium market in a couple of years' time. In terms of the Barrambie vanadium titanium project, the feasibility study is complete. We're looking to report that very soon. That's really a solution to recover the vanadium from the deposit. We're running a stage pilot program to recover the titanium. What we plan to do is to start a feed study later in the year and culminate that study the following year, sort of December 2020. The team, well, look, that really is one of our strengths. We've got a fantastic board that acts as the investment committee. We've got highly credentialed executives. Former managing partner of Allen's Arthur Robinson, managing director of CIBC in Australia, or chairman of CIBC in Australia. We've got senior executives from BHP, Rio, Vale. In terms of operations, we've got guys that have broad experience in lithium and titanium. What I'd like to offer both our existing shareholders and our potential new ones, when you think of Neometals, you should feel secure. We've got our market cap is essentially backed by our cash and investment portfolio, no debt, and we've got excellent projects and an excellent team. So, our business strategy is to, identify the value, build the value, and then realise the value with partners, very strong partners, to make sure that we can get our money quickly and return that to shareholders. Following today's dividend, we'll have returned $45 million to shareholders over the last 4 years. We're very proud of that. So one, we want them to feel secure. Two, that we have great opportunities ahead for capital growth. We've got the lithium battery recycling, which solves a big need. We know that lithium demand and the amount of batteries is going up. What we're certain about is that they wear out, that they are valuable, and that we need to solve that end of life recycling issue. In terms of the lithium project, like I said, we're sort of holding and waiting. That's more of a longer term asset, and the Barrambie titanium project is our medium asset. So we've got an excellent pipeline. We've also got 120,000 nickel metal tonnes at a former Western mining project just south of Kambalda. So, look, in terms of our commodities, they're all relevant for a sustainable future, both in energy storage, electrification of transport and stationary storage, and also lightweight alloys. I find One-to-One Singapore a great opportunity to come up and meet funds, investors, potential partners, up in Singapore, which is not somewhere that we normally would come to. So I think it's a great forum for us to meet everyone in one location.